So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find short-term rentals here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go ahead and select rent right here. Then where it says the city, I want you to go ahead and select your city or your address or whatever. I'll use Phoenix for this example and then press on search. Now once you're here, I want you to go to this filters button right here and then scroll down to where it says other and where it says short term right here, make sure that short term is selected. Then go to the bottom right and press on results. So in this case, there actually isn't any, but if I remove the outline, there should be a variety of different options, which I guess in this case there isn't in regards to short term rentals. But maybe if I were to go to type in a new place, I'll go to New York, for example, maybe this would also work, even if I remove the outline. Whatever the case may be, maybe it's not in your area specifically, but go to filters right here, scroll down to where it says short term, and then press on results, and you can view short term rental options here on your search. So, very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can find short term rental options here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.